Welcome to the Katie's Garden Guide to Pruning Perennials. I'm not Katie. Leucanthemum is a real cottage garden classic. It's also known as Marguerite and known as Shasta Daisy. Of the family you also get the Oxeye Daisy, which is native to the UK. So it works really well in the wildflower meadow look as well. There's lots of new varieties around that they're much shorter, they're much sturdier, such as this one here. It can be a little confusing knowing what to do with the daisy flowers when they're finished, because some of the plants, such as the cosmos, you're just going through and you're just snipping out the old flowers. But actually, when you start to get into it, it does all work quite well, quite straightforward, because when you're cutting something like a cosmos, you're always cutting back to the next bud or flower that you can see. But with the Leucanthemum, they always just grow straight up from the ground with the one shoot. You'll sometimes see there is a little bud somewhere, but in my experience they very rarely come to anything. So they're really not worth keeping. If you snip above them, they never come to anything, it just slowly browns off. So what you want to do, when you see the flowers finished, you're going to cut right back to base. So this plant, if you did want to be generous, you could keep. There are a few nice-ish flowers as long as you don't look too close. Whereas of course a lot of it's really gone bad. That's it. What you want to do is go all the way down. Do be ruthless on it. It does pay off. You should get some fresh flowers that come back up again.